Welcome to our tutorial on how to view all Android contacts without mobile phone. First, you need to export your contacts to vCard format using your phone. Let me guide you through the process step by step. Open your phone and go to the Contact application. On the top right side of the app, touch on the three-dot icon. Now, select the Import-Export Contacts option. Then, select the Export to Storage option. A notification panel will open, showing the path of your contact file where it will be exported, usually named 00001.vcf. Click OK. Your file has been exported. Now, let's locate the files. Go back to the home screen and open the File Manager. Scroll down. And here is your 00001.vcf file. Keep in mind that you've exported your file in .vcf format, also known as vCard. Now, you need to transfer the .vcf file to your computer. After transferring the vCard file to the computer, it will look like this. Now, go to the Free File Viewer website. This is the interface of the Free File Viewer website, presenting the tool Online vCard Viewer. You can drag and drop your vCard files into this panel, or click on Select Files to open the mini window and browse your 00001.vcf file. Once you've selected your vCard files, click Open. Scroll down to see the information of your vCard contacts. This is the list of vCard contacts. Here, you can search for contacts by names. There, you can see how many contacts your vCard file contains. Now, let's take a closer look at a contact. This is the Contact Preview panel, displaying information in a user-friendly manner. Here, you can see the profile image of the contact, along with their name and contact number. You can also view additional details such as their title, full name, contact number, email address, and organization. And there you have it, a guide on how to view all Android contacts without mobile phone utilizing the online vCard Viewer website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. For more details, check the description below.